Hello everyone. Thank you for listening to my presentation as a practice of astronomy mini exploratory research of our school in Shenzhen, Guangdong, China. Supported by the Shenzhen Education Bureau, Shenzhen No.2 Experimental School, that's our school, has carried out a series of students astronomy mini exploratory research, such as how high is the lunar crater, research on solar prominence and the solar cycle, and so on. Many exploratory research is the interdisciplinary learning project which carried out by the student in the subject field or the real life situation. Students try to solve problems through investigation, experiment, observation, analysis, discussion, and practice. Unlike professional research, it does not focus on putting forward new theories, but guides and encourages students to conduct in-depth learning in the way of scientific research, stimulate their exploration interest, enhance their cooperation ability, and imagination consciousness. Shenzhen No.2 Experimental School is a public middle school including senior and junior high school. I work as an information technology teacher and an instructor of astronomy elective courses in this school. We provide a basic astronomy course once a week every semester. For those students who are interested in it, we help them to take part in many exploratory researches. From 2015 to 2016, our first mini exploratory research, how high the lunar craters, was approved by the Shenzhen Institute of Education Sciences. With their support, uh, students obtain a lot of observation equipment and apparatus for daily observation. These equipment have also become important equipment for us to carry out more projects. Students need to formally conclude the project 1 year later, report the research result of this year, and write a formal research report. The first research group is composed of four junior high school students. With this research, they actively learned a lot about lunar observation. They had a basic understanding of the shape of celestial bodies and the theory of the formation of craters. In this process, they collect information and build a knowledge base which is the important goal of our mini research, to stimulate the students' internal driving force, realize the importance of learning, and arrange their own learning plan purposefully. Later, according to what they have learned, they had an understanding of the tidality between the moon and the earth, and designed their own measuring system and the tools. Using those system and tools, they make all the research. In the process of such exploration, students' desire of exploration was released, and they realized how to explore something actively. The final report summarized their current course. After the completion of similar courses, we will also serve as an optional exploration project for new students in the new semester. In the following years, we also led students to carry out some other projects. At the same time, we have implemented the following astronomy curriculum plan in the school. We provide optional astronomy courses to junior and senior high school students. and provide evening observation activities when the weather is clear. Students are encouraged to put forward their own ideas with strong interest in astronomy. They refine their ideas in these processes and put forward preliminary plans. Since the 2015, the Shenzhen Institute of Education Science evaluated the degree of financial support according to the purpose plan. In this way, they encourage and support students to further explore their own problems. I believe that it is a very interesting and lifelong wonderful experience for the students. In this process, our students also applied for some other research projects, such as making a cheap enough solar observation telescope and the research on solar prominence and the solar cycle and others. As the senior high school students later joined our research. Their research objects are more inclined to astronomical instruments and engineering instead of general astronomy, which is directly related to their hobbies. They try to design and make a super small astronomical telescope room with a side length of about 1.5 meters, so that can place some small observation equipment on the roof of their house for a long time and start observation anytime and anywhere. In the years when COVID-19 was spread, some elective courses were reduced due to the epidemic prevention policy. But we also took a new way to assist the students in their project design and research. The use of remote observatories is an example. I rented a remote observatory in Xinjiang personally and placed a set of 10 centimeter observation equipment with my friends. Some of my students are also allowed to use this set of equipment to carry out their observation plans. Some students will also participate in some joint observation programs, such as asteroid occultation and others. So the process of active exploration, they have gained beneficial results. Thank you for your listening. Thank you. Bye bye.